Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to extrude text. So we will create new design, and for base body you can create a rectangle. Okay, use pull tools to convert into 3D. The next I will create new plane in this top face. You can click design, plane, and I will select this top face. Use move tools to move the plane into blue axis. Now I will create text in this plane. You can click sketch mode, select the plane, and then click plane view to move into plane view, and then go to detail, click node tools to create text. I will click at this point, and you can rotate the text objects. After it, I will set the names for the text, as example into Mufasuket. Now you can click Outset to apply. After it, you can close from the sketch editing. Now to move into face, we can use the wrap tools. Go to prepare and then click wrap. Don't forget to check imprint as edge, and then you can select the body. The next you can select the text object. So it will be automatically wrapping into face of the object. And the next, click OK to set up. You also can hide for plane. Now to extrude, we can use the pull tools. Go to design, click pull tools, and then you can click inside text to extrude one by one. Or you can select outside text like this. You can extrude the text into the bottom here. Okay, you also can select in the center like this. And then select again at this A word. Okay, that's it for basic tutorial how to extrude text in Ansys Spaceclaim. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.